90% of the time, once we get them onto the BILT, we don't hear from that customer again.
Some of our larger swing sets have 300 pieces and thousands of pieces of hardware. At first, when you open the box, it can be a lot to consider.
We were getting a lot of detractors, negative feedback about our assembly and how long it took and how daunting it was. Whereas if you use the app, it gives you little tiny bite-sized pieces, step by step, and it just guides you through it, and it's not as daunting. The BILT app is part of our image carousel that'll go on retailers or on our website to let consumers know that they have support post-purchase.
BILT reduces the friction that the consumer might feel in making the purchase.
One of the best things about BILT is it's allowed us to go from like a 10 to 12 email conversation back and forth, circling things in pictures and sending the email back. BILT, once you download it, you can actually zoom in and then push up so you could see the layerings of the product. It's so much easier. BILT does help with our hold times a lot. They will chat in and be like, hey, I need assembly help. We'll be like, hey, there's an app for that. Download BILT. And if you have any other questions or issues, just feel free to get back to us. 9 times out of 10, we do not hear from that customer again. BILT actually helped save one of our customers' marriage. She had said that her and her husband were building this on their own, and they were so frustrated, and they had begun bickering. By the time they got on the phone with me, they were exhausted with the paper manual. They are not making sense. I had them download BILT, and so they were able to actually see the 3D rendering. When he was able to move it, he was like, oh, okay, she was right.
Reviews that come in from customers that have used the BILT app, they syndicate out through Bazaar Voice to our retail market. The Net Promoter Score on those reviews is higher than our normal reviews that are coming organically to us. Customers that have used the BILT app are really happy with their outcome and their ability to assemble our products successfully.
The message that implementing BILT has given to the customer is we're going to walk you through it step by step and guide you through the beginning to the end, and not just the purchasing decision, but also afterwards with support and customer service needs. It makes a whole curated experience for the customer, which will hopefully leave them more satisfied in the end.